Hi, I'm Hans King from Invisicook, here to do the 2023 installation video on how to install our new black units. As you see inside here, we've got the new black boxes, which we have our packets, which is a customer checklist package. Then we've also got one for the dealers as well as our controllers are all installed inside the units there with a nice controller and our sink clips. So, as you can see here, 3-burner unit with the spring loads now, which makes sure that we have a nice firm fit to the bottom of the countertop, as well as they're just very nice and pleasing to see at the same time. So now we're gonna move on and get it installed using our sink clip system. As you see here, I've already got the sink clips laid on here. Now I'm getting ready to go ahead and put the unit down firmly and attach the sink clips. Perfect, now that I got the unit outside of the box, as mentioned before, we've already done the sink clips laying them down. I've made sure to measure out on all points that I'm at least 10 centimeters away from any edge. Very important part, making sure we're at least 10 centimeters away. Perfect for galley kitchens when you're using a 3-burner unit. 5 and 4 burners, great within the islands. 2-burner you can do in pretty much any situation. So like as mentioned, I have it laid out. Sink clips are down. I'm gonna go ahead and lay the unit down now. And then I'm gonna go ahead and attach the sink clips to it. Perfect, now I made sure everything is nice and tight with a nice firm press down on top of this 12mm porcelain countertop. And we're set to go. We've got the plugs that are on the units. So all North American plugs are gonna have our 3-prong twist lock plug on there. In other countries, you might have it all done up hardwire as well. Our hardwire instructions are on our installation manual, so make sure you check those out. Now I'm gonna ask my helpers to help me flip this countertop over, and we'll do the next part of the installation. Now that we got the countertop installed with the unit there are different ways of doing it. Again, from top you can do it, but you can also do it from up underneath, again using the sink clip system. Also, if you don't want to use a sink clip system, which comes with all units, there are the sink rails that can be used as well. These will joist the unit right up, make sure that it's firm to the bottom of the countertop after the countertop's been installed. Now we're going to go ahead and get into the controller side of it and installing that. You can get these 6-inch drawer slides if you want to do a drawer and drawer type system like we're doing here. There's also options of doing on the face frame of the cabinet, or if you really wanted to, you could do it into the countertop. We don't recommend it because again, you got to make sure you have that 10 centimeter distance, as well as it's not as aesthetically pleasing as being completely invisible. So now we're going to do the installation into the controller, as you'll see here. Now that we have the controller installed and get the unit up and going, we're getting the unit up and functioning properly. Best way is, again, testing, making sure that we know where the burners are when you leave the customer's house. So what I've done here is I've got a bigger Potter pan, our pan set with the risers on here, and kind of locating the center of the bubbles. When you know where that center is, we do give you these stickers that go with the Invisicook unit. You can place these down just as a reference point until you get to learn it. Like riding a bicycle, once you've done it once or twice, you're gonna know where it is, but this will at least help locate it for you. With these stickers, these are a clear sticker that will mark, lay down the center point. Now again, the same thing would apply even with the Invisicook mat, using the mat when you're laying down the mat and doing your test in that way. Keep in mind, every Invisicook unit comes with the Invisimats in there and should always be used when the case is, if you're not using our cookware. If you are using our cookware, Invisicook does have our risers on there, and we always recommend you use our cookware when cooking with Invisicook. Now that we got it set up, everything is laid out here, make sure you leave the Invisimat with, make sure you leave the customer packet for your customers, and the installation's done. Thank you for visiting and watching our video on installation. If you have any questions, email us at info@invisicook.com, and as always, thank you.